What up, guys? Your boy Frank Visionary, man. We out here, Ventura, stand up, Downstar, baby. Back at it. My boy Frank, his team, holding it down for us. We're gonna lace up this Superstock today for you guys, man. Let's get these bolts installed, go over some new finishes, what colors we're gonna do, and take this thing from Superstock to Downstar up, baby. Let's go.
Hell yeah. I give a fuck about how they feel. Me and Zay just dropped the propane and it sounded like mass appeal. For my dog, I'ma ride till the wheels kill. Got his hand on the hammer, so keep it legit. I've been the man with the blueprint. I won't stop till I own every brick. I used to lay out in the lawn just to feel the world spin on its axis. Now I got the access and the last laugh, got it off of the passion. I keep it 100 on the dash now that we got our subtraction. Slick talker, I'm a showstopper. You are not.
Check out Downstar, guys. Any make and model. If he doesn't already have it listed, man, hit up my boy Frank and his team out here in Ventura. We're shipping nationwide, bro. Possibly worldwide, who knows, but I know nationwide for sure, so don't sleep on them. You guys need to lace up those engine bays. You need to fix up those wide body kits, man. Get those rivets right. Let's go. Not just Hondas, guys, not just Hondas. You see us. Did the Lambo, Superstock. We're getting the AMG done. What do you guys got, man? Don't sleep on Downstar out here, Ventura. Yeah. Right? We getting it right, Frank? We getting it right, bro?
Hell yeah.
Let's do this.
I'ma make sure that I used to toss a coin in the waterfalls in the wishing well. Now I get plenty coin, bitch, I'm self-made. You ain't gotta wish me well. You ain't like me then, but I guess it's past tense, cause you tapped in. You was never who you said. I see the facade when looking, they really be that quick to tell. My guard up, I ain't taking nails. If it's not in my favor, won't sign a deal. I got the royalty in the mail. I got authority in the field. Take a look in my iris. I be precise with the timing. I move on the cut, that shit high risk. I never know where my mind went. Ay, I got a lot on my plate. I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. Yeah. Like it's a lot on my mind, and I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that.
All right, guys. Well, we got it dialed in, man. Downstar, his team, boy Frank. We out here. Look at this shit, man.
One of one.
Whew. One of one. We like one of ones. All right. Look at all these bolts. Tied in the orange to the vinyl. All the glow, everything's matching. Look at the details, guys. Look at the details. Look at all this. Come on, everywhere. And we have some custom ordered. Don't worry, yeah, we're taking care of those too. On the way. First kit in the Mopar world on the Superstock, baby. Hellcat Red Eye Superstock. Thank you to Frank, his team, Downstar.
Yeah.
Let's go, man. Let's go. You guys need anything for these show cars, man. You wanna liven up the bay a little bit. You wanna fix those rivets on the side of your wide body kit. You want spikes on your wheels? Downstar, baby. Let's go. Hope you guys are enjoying the progress of the Superstock. I know you guys haven't seen that livery up until yet because we did it last night, but I want to add this piece to the video just to bring the Super up to date. So you guys already seen the 325s that we did lowered, but here's the new livery, man. Shout out to all our sponsors. Thank you guys, man. Thanks for all the support, the love, and believing in Visionary, man. For those of you guys been supporting since day one, greatly appreciate you guys. To all the new subscribers and supporters, appreciate you guys just the same, man. We're rocking and rolling, not slowing down. 2022, our year, baby. Taking off on social. Visionary Foreign and Exotics, man. Visionary Pure Muscle. Visionary Pure JDM. And everybody else visionary out there that's rocking with us, bro. Let's go. Sky's the limit, baby. Visionary Rally 2022. See you guys March 26th.